Before MOC, it was difficult to find myself in spaces. I would walk into a room and not see many members of color there. We are part of all facets of the educational system, so to not see us represented in the union was very disheartening. When I got involved in MOC, I actually became an influencer for Burlington County, helping to organize events and just get us connected. We are looking to engage our members and make sure that we're in the spaces and in the conversation and making sure that there is space for everyone, no matter where you are in the educational system and what color you might be. We are here and we are looking to make sure that we're engaged. It is fantastic being here at convention to be able to see people in person and just getting them to engage in our Facebook page and just to stay engaged in what we're doing. We had a flood of people here. We had books because we do book talks, we do paint and sips, we do engagement talks on race and educational for ESPs and nurses. And so there are so many things that you can get involved in. And being here, being able to tell people in person about that is so fulfilling and so empowering. I really look forward to seeing more of us in positions of power and also just to make sure that we're all in the spaces and well represented.